The world is loud. Opinions fly. Distraction pull. But you're built for more.
It's not about shouting to be heard. It's not about following the crowd.
It's about standing firm, walking tall, and letting your action do the talking.
Join the Women of Church of Christ as we grow, fellowship, and rise above the noise.
Date: Friday 29 through Saturday 30th August 2025. Time: 9 a.m. daily. Venue: OK Memorial Commercial Secondary School, Elele, Port Harcourt. For inquiries, call 081 5707 4604. Be there.